Yes, friends, join me due to some network issue. I get disconnected again. So, mashallah is great working. So, I'm telling to you, everyone, please listen to me and see my screen.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay, Jazakallah for me. Okay, I am just telling you this is about force. We have studied. Now we have on that force as a push and pull. You all know when we are
Breaking.
okay, beta. Due to weather problem, there is a network issue maybe because that's why.
Yes, sir, due to
Listen,
weather
listen,
issue.
listen to me carefully and concentrate. Force as a push. You know when you are uh, pushing something outward, though in that case this is a case of force as a push, and when you're pulling something, when you're dragging towards yourself something, so that's the example of force as a pull. Is it clear? Please listen it so that in the next class after Eid, inshallah, we will have a class test. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
okay. Now
Of the chapter,
of the same.
of the third chapter.
Yes. Okay. So now comes to what is contact force. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
What is contact force? Contact force is that force which comes into play when bodies get touched, you can say. Okay, so these are called contact forces. So, like example of contact forces are, what are they? Yes, please.
Sir, the example of contact force are tension force, spring force, force of friction, and normal force.
Very good, mashallah. Tension force,
Sir,
spring.
we have complete chapter number 3. Sir, which page number?
That's for, I'm just revising this chapter. Okay. If you have any problem in this chapter, you can ask.
Sir?
Yes, beta.
Sir, tell me please which page number are you?
Beta, I'm taking 40. I am just revising this chapter. Okay, this is complete. This chapter is complete. So,
Fourth chapter is completed.
this is not fourth, beta.
Sir, we are in chapter 3,
This
we
is
are having
chapter
types
3.
of forces.
This is, see here, chapter 3 on the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay, the third one.
We can ask that queries in chapter 3. Sir, you have complete this chapter, na?
Yes. Anyone
Fourth
having,
chapter.
yes, beta, any student having some queries based on this chapter, please ask me. Okay.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes, beta, please
Sir,
tell
I
me.
have.
Tell me, beta.
Sir, what is take this type of fraction and ruling fraction?
What, beta?
State. Sir,
Static.
sir, 40 static fraction and rolling fraction. Rolling fraction.
Rolling. Okay, okay. I'm telling
Sir,
you.
please explain me electrical force.
Okay, wait, I'm telling to you. Wait, first I telling you static and uh, what rolling. Okay. Beta Rashid Ali, beta listen to
So
it.
what is contact force?
Okay, I'm telling to you. I'm static force. Okay, second one is rolling. Okay, third one is what do you just say? Yes, static force. Yes, anyone are saying something? Which type of forces you want to know? Yes, tell me the queries. Anyone having static force want to query about rolling force? There's another query. Okay, static force. Okay, whenever something is stationary, okay, any object is stationary, not moving. So at that time, at that moment, the force or friction which comes into play is static friction. Okay, is it clear?
Sliding friction you have not written.
Is it same static force or static? Because friction is one of the type of force. Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Rolling force or
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes. And for rolling, if this is a slide and you are rolling something, it goes downward. So as the surfaces are in contact, you can make it like bigger so that it gets in contact this part and this part. So the friction which comes into play when you roll something on the floor or any slide, then that friction is called as rolling friction. Is it clear, beta? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, that's very good. Yes, anyone, please tell me if any having more query.
Sir, this friction causes when we roll a ball.
When you roll a ball,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
you are saying when you roll a ball.
Sir,
Okay,
and
this
like after we play a cricket shot, then when the ball finally touches the ground, then it keeps on rolling, and
Okay.
then at one point it finally stops. The
Okay.
rolling friction stops it.
beta listen to me. Okay,
Or sliding friction. This is not
listen to me. Okay, suppose that this is your floor. Okay, surface, anything, and this is a some ball. Okay, when you apply force, so it starts rolling. Okay, it comes to this place.
Yes,
So
sir.
the friction which comes when you roll a ball, that friction is called rolling friction. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yes, sir.
after rolling friction, it gets stopped, and due to its self weight, so there is a static friction is there. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta. Anyone?
Yes,
Please,
sir, it is clear.
please listen to me. Everyone, please ask me, because in the test I will ask you to write some examples which are related in your day-to-day life, and also please ask me more so that I will ask you some questions that you have to write in your own words. Don't write bookish language. Yes, tell me, beta,
Okay, sir.
and tell me anything you want to know more.
Sir, I
Yes.
want to ask you electrical
Sir, I
force.
have written
Okay,
one
let's-
answer and I want to tell you, and is it correct? You can tell me.
Okay, first I tell you electric force now, beta, you are asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Electric force. Okay, you see electric wire is there. When you switch on the bulb, it starts glow. Okay. And second thing is that you see some comb and you rub it with your hairs and you bring that comb to the pieces of paper. So when what you observe, you take a comb,
It is stick.
rubbed, bring two paper pieces.
So yes, I have done this
Huh.
with my like hair. If we are doing comb, so paper is being stick.
Stick.
Flying, it's being like
Okay.
fly.
Stick. So this is due to the electric charge. Basically, electric force is due to some charges are present. Charges are the particles which are present.
When is our teacher?
Yes, beta.
When is our? When is
Sir, can you explain again this electric force?
Okay.
Sir,
Electric
when is our parents
Sir, please explain the electric force again.
Okay, beta. I am telling to you.
I want to ask when is our parents meeting?
Beta, whatever be the new informations, inshallah, it will be uploaded. Okay. For everything you receive some notice now. So this also. Listen to me.
Sir, I know 3 days.
Okay. There is a charge. Charge is basically some particles, okay, and charge are of two types: positive charge and negative charge, okay. And these charges are responsible for electrical force. Is it clear, beta? Now you can read this. When you take a comb, you rub it with your hair and bring near the pieces of paper, it will stick. So this is because due to the presence of charge. Okay, some positive charge.
Sir, why only for hair? We can. Is anything special in hair that electric charge is being?
Beta, charges actually. So listen, charges are everywhere. You are having your pen in your hand. There's also a charge in it. If you are sitting on anything, charge. What happened is, so charge is everywhere. This is very common example because these body get charged. Charge means like you get electric shocked. In the same way, this comb get charged, and when you bring this charge near the pieces of paper, due to the property, one of the property which says that opposite charges attract, so their pieces get attracted by the comb. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, this is a very important thing I am telling to you. And please, I checked your chemistry, physics, and maths copy, and listen to me what I am going to say. How many students are there? 17. Okay, all 17 students listen to me carefully that please after
Sir, 16. Sir,
okay,
16 students.
17 one is one. Yes, I know 17 is one myself. Uh, whatever you are writing in physics, chemistry, and maths, in both, in all the three subjects, okay, please read once again before submitting the answer, because many mistakes are there regarding no meaningful answer. Okay, it means that answer is correct, means you are trying to say it correct, but according to English, according to statement, it is not going, it is not uh, good, okay, not right. So please do it and check yourself. You can read it so you can self realize where I am doing mistakes. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Beta,
I want
Yes.
to ask
beta, this listen
that
to
when
me.
we submit assignment and when it is seen by the teachers, it says that your assignment is approved. So my physics and chemistry, both chapter 1 assignments are still not approved.
Okay, you send me on my number. Okay, I will check it. Okay.
So only I have approved chemistry.
Actually, then everyone please, whatever you please send on my number also. Okay, that because that I have to transfer on my mobile because there's a big screen, so I can read it easily. You submit.
I cannot.
You submit in the app. Listen, you submit it.
is not working, sir.
Beta, you
I
can submit me on my number, and also you whatever there is, you can submit on the ALG app also, because I have to connect WhatsApp on this laptop, so big screen is there, so it is easy for me for reading. Yes, listen to me, everyone. Everyone, please listen to me this thing. Please, everyone, remember this thing. Advantages and disadvantages. Everyone start practicing of it. Disadvantages of friction. Okay. One homework I give you today, and everyone I want to write it, and please before submitting, please check once again. Okay. Are you not listening?
Yes, sir.
Only one is listening. One is
Sir, we are listening.
Sir, listening.
okay, very good, mashallah. So prepare this question. This is very important. And another one is which is usually asked, and you should know about that. Effects of force Don't
Sir, what have you written?
listen. They in on page number 40. Because listen to me. On page number 41, effects of force are given. It does not means that. Beta Rashid, you close. It does not means that you have to write each and every line. Okay, just read it. Concise means write it on your own words, short and short, and cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points are there. Okay, so you should cover all these 5 points, and no one get skipped. First thing. The second thing is,
Sir, can you tell me rolling friction?
beta, I listen to me. This thing is very important. I tell you rolling friction also. See here, I give the example of rolling. This is a surface, and you throw the ball on the surface, or means just roll it a little push, and the ball start rolling on the floor. So that friction which comes in contact, as you know, friction always comes when there is a contact between the surfaces. As the body is rolling, so the friction which comes into play is called as rolling friction. Is it clear, beta? You see here in the diagram also. Yes, is it clear? So this
Yes, sir.
of force, and the which is very important is that this question, types of forces, how to, Walaikum Salam, how to increase or decrease, how to increase and decrease the friction. You can also write these questions, and whenever you get time, okay, after Eid or during Eid also you get time sometime, so you can write these answers and submit to me. Try to start submitting as after tomorrow or on Thursday, Friday. Okay. And the today's question which I am going to give you as an assignment, these 4 you have to prepare. These are usually asked. Yes, anyone having some problem in this chapter, static, sliding, rolling friction, disadvantages, advantages, how to decrease. This is very important, how to decrease. For decreasing the friction, we have to make the surface smooth, rough. Remember, don't get confused with this. To decrease the friction, okay, means friction is there. Remember how to remember this thing, where we have to apply the word decrease and increase. Listen, this thing, friction means opposing force. So if you decrease the opposing force, what happen? And to increase the friction force is the same, means opposing force. How? And when you increase the opposing force, okay, so if you want to increase the friction, increase the opposing force, you have to make the surface rough. If you want to decrease the friction or decrease the opposing force, so you have to make the surface smooth. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I give an example regarding that?
That you can say that if you see
Just like a carom board,
exactly carom
we
board,
have to.
we all have tiles in our homes, alhamdulillah. So we see what happens. They get so much slippery sometimes. And nowadays rainy season is there, so they get smoothened. So there's a chance of falling down. And what happens when we are walking on a rough surface? There's a less chance of falling down. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here it is clear.
Okay, so okay, I'm asking you one question. Okay, so that
Okay, sir.
Zikra Salman. Yes, Usama Karim is there. Usama Karim, are you there? Beta, if I am calling your name and you are not responding, I told this also, it means that you open the Zoom meeting and you left somewhere. Yes, Hafza Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Please you tell in your own words what are the effects, what are the effects of force, what a force can do. Just in your own words. What are the effects of force? Yes, Naba, what do you want to say, Naba?
A force
can I get the
change the
Beta,
size
no,
of an
no,
object.
beta, I'm asking this question not to you. Okay, I'm asking this question to Hafsa Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you tell me this answer. What are the effects of force?
A force can change the size of an object.
Okay.
A
And
force can change the direction of an object. And a force can stop a moving object.
okay, and is there any more? Yes, anyone? Yes, who is raising your hand? So very more students are raising. Yes, Sarah, you tell me.
Yes, sir. So
Sarah,
force can start to move an object. Force
Oh.
can stop a moving object. Force can change direction of an object.
okay.
Force can change the object. And the force can change the size of an object.
Okay, that's very good. Size is very important. What happens when we playing with football and we put our leg on the football, the shape of the ball get changed. Okay, so means what you are saying means stop, start, direction. But always this is the key words. If you remember the words, then you will make the sentence, and if you remember the thing also, direction, speed, and shape. Is it clear? Now you can elaborate it. If a body is moving, is it clear? Everyone is listening to me carefully.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, mashallah, very good, mashallah. So listen, stop. How stop means if a body is moving and we are applying the force in opposite direction. Okay, remember this thing, we applying the force in the opposite direction, then only it will stop. If we applying the force on the same direction, it will never stop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I want to ask one thing about the force.
Yes, beta, please.
Sir, a force can change the shape of an object. So when we throw a ball, so it starts moving, so its shape cannot change. Why?
I am telling to you, beta, don't worry. Okay.
Shape can change of
Beta,
dough
I
when we
will-
apply force.
I will tell you. Listen, when a body is fixed, means stationary. Okay, and when we apply force, so it will start moving. Okay, so we will stop. We will start moving, and direction. Suppose that in cricket and or anything, you can say that when we when the cricketer, what the cricketers do, he just flashes the ball. Okay. Hit the ball, you can say, with the bat. So what happened? As the bowler throws the ball towards the direction of batsman, and batsman hits the ball in another direction. So by applying force, we can say that direction can be changed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now comes to
Yes,
speed.
sir.
Now it comes to speed. If some for example, something is coming to you, means football is coming to you. Okay, it is very fast. So what happened? You just stopped it. So, or we can say that we will increase or decrease the speed by applying force. Okay, increase or decrease the speed. Okay, by applying force. Is it clear? What we can say, someone is playing football and someone kicks, giving you pass the ball, and you just you are giving, or you are just kick the ball the same direction. So in this way, you can say the speed is increased, and you just opposes the force, opposes that kick. It means that speed is decreased. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now comes to shape.
Yes.
Okay, very important.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes, beta, let me complete this one first, and then you will ask.
Over after 5 minutes.
Beta, just tell me fast about query. This is your football.
Sir, in force of friction,
Yes.
the fourth point I'm not understanding.
Tell me.
Yes,
that one.
sir.
Tell me.
Force of friction, force point friction is a relatively complex
On page,
phenomenon. 43.
40.
43.
Okay, okay. Okay, yes, tell me.
Force of
Friction is a
friction.
relative complex
force
phenomenon to explain. Yes, this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. This is because it is written here because it is a complex phenomenon. Means different types of friction forces are applying. First thing, and second thing, you cannot see its friction. Yes. What is complex? Complex means this is difficult to explain this phenomenon. You cannot show it by some, you can say, videos or anything. You just try to explain it that whenever two surfaces are coming to, you cannot see the force also. Is anyone see the forces, how it looks?
No, sir.
So friction is one of the force. So that's why it's a relative, a complex thing. Okay. And listen, in higher class you will study inshallah that if anything you are looking that is very smooth, still have some undulations. Okay, when you see it on the microscope, this is your marble, this is very smooth. Okay, this is your marble and the surface is very smooth, shiny. When you see it in microscope, so some like this grooves are there. Okay, so such type of things with friction. So that's why it is written, that's a complex thing and it is there. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So we can say that where we are. Okay, air, when we blow in air in balloon or means football or anything, we just press it. Or we will take example of our eraser which we are using in our stationery. So we press it. So on applying the force, what we are seeing, what we are observing, that the shape is gets changed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so this is very important. Yes, please everyone try to write in your own words. And this
Yes, sir.
example you can write also. And if you are someone having good drawing, so when you are writing the answer, you will also make some figure also. Okay, this is a very good thing for explaining the or for supporting your answer. Okay.
Sir, in exam also we have to make diagram.
If there's a time, so you can, but a diagram is just make a small figure, means like this. As for force, if you want to tell me force, so you make a like box, like and this arrow, force, and here you will write movement, okay, or move. This is you written as surface, okay. In phases, you have to
Yes,
write,
sir.
make figures like this, not like this. That means you have to color it and you take a scale and very carefully. But the arrows direction, the character or alphabets which are using to denote, it should be correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anyone please having any query, you can ask me also. Yes.
No,
And
sir.
yes,
Alhamdulillah.
beta, one thing more I want to tell you. Beta, I will take a sudden test. Okay, because you are a little bit need a more practice on calculation. On chapter number 2 also there is a lot of calculation, conversion is there, centimeter to meter square. Okay, so please in these holidays try to utilize it, enjoy also, utilize it also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. And I will give you
Sir, can I know?
yes, beta, tell.
Sir, can I know when will be the results out of our papers?
Beta, yes, I in the class, during the class also I told in the class that inshallah soon you will get the information of this. Okay.
Sir,
You
can you
are
please give a hint how much we score?
no idea. But everything is notified. Okay, so inshallah soon after this. Okay, you can say after it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anybody, yes, the homework which I will give it to you is friction is a necessary evil. Comment on this. Okay. I will write it this
Okay,
also.
sir.
Okay, sir. We'll do it, inshallah.
Class. मोबाइल लिया है, ये बहुत परेशान कर
बेटा
रहा था। बकरा को भी देखने गया है,
म्यूट
बकरा पास दो, एक बार नहीं 2 बार 3 बार गया।
आइसक्रीम बाबू के लिए लाओ, बाबू का आइसक्रीम लाओ।
Okay, so the question is, friction is a necessary evil. Comment means you have to write one page over it. Friction is necessary evil means you have to write both advantages and disadvantages, and where it is necessary and where it is harmful. Necessary means required, friction is required, and evil means it is dangerous also. So this thing is yes, this thing is clear to you. What is the meaning of necessary evil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah, good, alhamdulillah. And first of all, I again congratulate you all. You are getting very good marks in all the three. Still a little more efforts you required. Okay, you will.
So what is the
inshallah-
highest marks?
I tell you later, inshallah. And please try this thing. This that I told you. Whatever you are writing, please read yourself carefully. So you should know where you are.
What the highest marks?
Highest means full out of full. That is highest.
Yes, sir.
Highest of everything is full out of full. 100%.
Who got the highest
it?
marks?
Who got it? Many students got it. Alhamdulillah.
Sir, and girls who got?
Very many girls got.
So please tell the name.
No, beta, it's top secret. I will tell you later, but not now.
Okay, sir.
It is going to over also, sir.
Beta, I'm saying that if anyone having query, though, that's why I'm open it. So you can tell me 1 minute is 1-2 minutes are there to close this. Okay, so
Sir, no query.
Sir,
no
WhatsApp, as a period will over, WhatsApp group will not open.
yes, it will open. I will post the assignment there also. Okay, or if you are having some query, you can ask me on my number also. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
is it clear? So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
when you submit this question to me, friction is necessary, today you will do, or you are doing some
Sir, please after Eid.
after Eid.
Please
That-
after.
in Eid also you will have a much time.
Sir,
to
in Eid only we can submit to you, inshallah.
Okay,
But
okay,
after Eid we will submit to you because we have to do preparation.
okay. So you will submit on Friday also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So submission I will write it's on Friday. Okay. Okay. Inshallah we will meet you. Inshallah. Okay. Whatever your queries, please send it to me. Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam
Assalamu
warahmatullahi
alaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum.
Please do some practice of maths also. Okay. Please utilize these holidays. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Every day my maths.
Sir,
teacher are
how
coming
many day
to
holidays are we getting?
I notice will
2.
how many days you are having Eid.
The 2
Yes.
days
Okay,
holiday.
sir.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam.
assalam warahmatullahi